Breaking SEO Myths Part 1. Could there be one more sector more blown up by vanity, misinformation and repeating than SEO? Probably there are a couple of other availabilities, but not many. But what else can one get out of an unregulated industry? Search engines like Google, Yahoo, MSN, as well as Ask Jeeves, each have their own secret algorithms which mathematically select, organize, and focus search results. No two online search engines work exactly the same. No two search engines generate specifically the exact same search engine result, unless they are in fact powered by the same internet search engine, yet packages under various names. No SEO expert or solid knows all of the search engine keys. So just how do they write a lot of the articles, blog sites, as well as online forums with such authority? As well as why are the ones swearing that they're straightforwardly only telling you sufficient to preserve enough enigma to keep you trusting their competence and also yet still wondering what the heck they are doing behind closed doors? Am I claiming that they are all scam artists? No, a lot of them aren't. However, also the ones who are legit and also still count on air of mystery as well as trouble to keep the clients from requiring too many detailed responses. Why? Since if these internet search engines professionals disclose all that they understand to a client, they understand that an intelligent customer would certainly not be impressed. The fact is that most businesses can execute their own search engine optimization and also be quite effective. There are exceptions like the home mortgage sector. Particular sectors are so competitive in organized search that a lot of companies will not be able to contend even with specialist natural SEO solutions. So why should a company work with an SEO expert? My viewpoint, such contracting of services only make good sense when a company either has sufficient cash to spray or they have far more essential jobs for their own staff members to do. I compare it to an online grocery store purchasing. It saves you time and effort, but unless you're handicapped, filthy rich or shocking hectic, it is not an inexpensive a choice. Of course, I'm not going to begrudge any person the possibility to snub out a service they do not really feel comfortable with executing themselves. Every executive can decide which is better to the company in this circumstance, time or cash. I recognize that, and also I additionally respect a person who focuses on adding their strengths instead of fabricating strengths that ultimately set you back and the businesses due to inexperience and pride. You will discover those exact same kinds of individuals in the search engine marketing profession. Males and females have created professions on online search engines, advertising and marketing because they learn just how to retell somebody else's story as well as to compose brand new posts having recycled info. Those kinds are in fact much better at sales and also personal PR than SEO. So what exactly makes an individual a search engine optimization specialist? Seriously? Don't approve somebody else's cases without seriously examining them. There's no government or industry-wide standard. So who makes an expert an expert? What's the difference between a professional and a professional fake? How can you inform one from the other? It's a slippery slope. Unfortunately, it is a sector where numerous businesses make money from clients' ignorance. I am most likely to present clear-cut proof right here of my case. Not a chance. I don't need to, and also I don't want to make any kind of particular enemies. I discovered what I recognized by researching search engines, optimization, online, wherever I might, due to the fact I was attempting to join the market. What I realized through my substantial online analysis and what also specialist connections is that a great modest business person is always much more capable and reputable than a self-proclaimed expert. If you don't think me, subscribe to a couple of search engine optimization e-newsletters and catch up on your search engine optimization short articles. See for yourself. If you do not review the very same point over and over, just presented in a different order from a various angle. Research which group or individuals support and also complement each other in search engines optimization write-ups, online forums, and also blogs. Notice how they construct a castle of thoughts out of thin air. In this market, some will certainly prove each other if it means enhancing the blurry reasoning that is actually profited their very own company. The lack of fresh details is fairly persuading proof that search engine optimization as well as search phrases study are not all that made complex. If they were, the specialists would not have to reuse to point out brand new write-ups as well as blog sites. For every one of you still prepared as well as ready to hire an SEO professional, all I ask is that you make an enlightened decision based upon research study. And also always get in touch with customers the company declares to have serviced. Learn if they were really a client, what sort of service they got, as well as if they were satisfied with that service. And also certainly make sure you aren't validating one company with amongst their bread and butter partners. Keep in mind, points are not always what they appear. If you maintain these standard factors to consider in mind, you should do well when choosing the best search engine optimization professional. Hope you have learned something from this. If you like my videos, there's a button below. Press the like. Also, up the top is a bell. Press the bell, then all, and you will get informed when I do another video and it comes online. This is Ian Jackson saying thank you and goodbye.